Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you 2K 3 megapixels outdoor camera. This is wireless with solar panel. Let's open the box and see what we have. Quick start guide and guidance stickers, screw type, USB-A to USB-C, and screw type. Here is the solar panel, and here is the camera. Let's check it out. Antennas, 355 degrees and 90 degrees tilt. Here is the area for reset and turn on and off button right there, and SD card and speaker. And go ahead and put it. That's good. You can put it right there. Let's turn it on, and it's on. We can go ahead and add the camera right there. It already found it. Let's pair it.
Wi-Fi is connected. The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
Here is the camera, and this is 2K. Two-way audio talk. Hello. 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 And speaker. You can mute it here. And you can take a screenshot and record a video. Let's go back. There is alert and replay and console, PTZ. There is position. You can choose the favorite position. Light. That's light. And talk mode and camera on. There's SD mode and let's turn it off. Make sure it is in place, and then put the screws there and go ahead and tighten it. I'm just gonna put it over here for the testing purposes. Right there. Push it. It is locked. And for the solar panel, you can either put it right there, or you can just screw it anywhere that's getting the sun rays. Let's go ahead and turn it on and check it on the application. It's on right now. Let's give it a few more seconds and it's gonna be completely on, and we can check it on the application. It's online right now, and this is 2K, and we can change it to SD. Let's change it back to 2K. You can see the difference. What about the settings? You see 71% battery, and right now it is charging because of the solar panel, and it has good internet connection. You can share this device, and there is motion detection, power save mode, detection area. You can choose the detection area, standard, performance, custom mode, detection distance, sensitivity, and trigger, light and night vision. This has alert. Let's check it out. You can see the alert, replay, console. That means PTZ option, down, up, left and right. Let's check it here. Left, it says possible person detected from X. Left, I'm right there. Right, up and down. And there's position. You can set a default position. Light is on and off. Now it's on. I will show it to you during nighttime. In siren, you can turn it on and off. And this is trigger by motion. There is talk mode. This is two-way audio talk. Just tap talk. Hello. 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 Yep. Or you can do the hold to talk. And you can turn off the camera here or on. Here is the speaker. You can record a video or you can take a picture. Let me go ahead and walk around. I'm right there, and we got the notification. And the camera is right here. I will show the quality during the nighttime. It's nighttime. Here is the night vision. This is 2K. Let's check SD mode. You see, that's not good, but 2K, that's very clear and sharp. Let's turn on the light. Here is the light. And light is on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around and see. That's me. And the PTZ option. I'm right there. Let me turn off the light and see. Light is off. And night vision is active. How about now? When I walk around, I'm right there. Right here. And full color night vision right now. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because you can use a solar panel. You don't have to use too many wiring. Also, this is PTZ. It has LED light. You can put the solar panel either over here or somewhere you like. There is detection sensitivity and two-way audio talk. There is alert, cloud. You can share this device with your loved ones. Here are the settings.